معكم سامر من يلا عربي team. So I'm going today, guys, to teach you the past tense. We already have talked about the past tense, but with the regular verbs. So we made two parts of the verbs: regular verbs and Yalla Arabee verbs. Yalla Arabee verbs, which is the irregular verbs. Okay. So if we make two parts, we're gonna understand more the verbs in all tenses like present, past, imperative, future, continua, and as well the participle. We're gonna talk about it later. So the first part 1 in the tense, it was with the regular verb. It was so easy, right? So now we're gonna talk about the irregular verb. If you didn't watch Yalla Arabee verbs, stop here and go watch Yalla Arabee verbs before coming to know the past tense with the irregular verb. So we mentioned Yalla Arabee verbs, the verbs with vowel letters: بروح, بجيب, بنام, O, E, A. This is 1, 2. Verbs with just 2 letters, the root: بحب, بحس, I feel, بشم, I smell. And verbs with shaddi. Of course, there is other, which is the verb has 4 letters, the root, like بسافر, for example. Okay, so this thing, irregular verbs, it's changing. It's not the same regular verb in all the tenses. It's close, but not the same. So this thing, we put it helps you as well with pronunciation, to be like native speaker. هلا بروح أنا رحت. So we take off the vowel letter with I and you and we. رحت, أنت رحت, as we agreed about that. I and you made it the same in the past. أنا رحت, أنت رحت, أنتي رحتي, أنتو رحتو, نحن رحنا, هو, O and E becomes A. O and E becomes A. O becomes A. راح. And we have the root, which is راح. هو راح, he went. راح, he راح, and you plus T, راحت. راحت. هني راح, and you add O, راحوا. تمام? So رحت, رحتي, انتو رحتوا, نحن رحنا, هو راح, هي راحت, هني راحوا. تمام؟ هلا let's see with a verb has 2 letters. بحب, حبيت, there is شدي. حبيت, you add help letter, which is E. حبيت, انت حبيت, انتي حبيتي, okay, انتو حبيتو, O. نحن حبينا, نحن حبينا, انتو حبيتو, O. انتي حبيتي. So انت حبيت. هو just the root of the verb حب, حب. هي, you add T, and of course there is شدي. حبت, حبت. هي حبت. هني حبوا, هني حبوا. هلا verb والشدي, it's you deal with it as a regular verb. يعني there is no changing. You just add the the suffix in the end. أنا بلش, to start, بلش. So طبعا بلش, there is 2B. The first one, it's consonant letter. سكون, بلش. بلشت, بلشت, بلشتي, بلشتو, بلشنا, بلش, بلش, بلشت, بلشت, بلشوا, بلشوا. تمام? You see it's a bit different where compared the regular verb. So if there is vowel letter, you take it off with I, U, we, and for he, you becomes the wow and E becomes A, and for 2 letters, for I, you add E, حب, حبيت, it's help letter. And for shaddi, it's the same in the past tense with the regular. هلا, you have بجيب, I bring بجيب. You have بحس I feel. You have حضر I prepare. This is it. Homework for you. Leave it in the comment please. Try to conjugate it in the past and practice. Focus what I'm saying. And if you didn't watch before the Yalla Arabic Letters, please go and watch it because it's, you know, it's step by step. You can't jump to know all of them. So كان معكم سامر من يلا عربي team. I'm going to see you next week guys. بحبكم كتير.